What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Good afternoon, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And in this video we'll be taking a quick look at Sonm. The abbreviation is SNM, which has been really bullish today. It's up 172% with a volume increase of 18,000% to what it is right now, 55 million, twice the market cap of 25 million. So it's a low market cap coin. It's a Russian project. Created or started in 2017, so it's not new. I'm probably going to put in a title new listing on Binance, and first of all I want to clarify that this was already on Binance. All right, this pair, the against the BTC pair, was already on Binance. What happened is that a new pair got added, I believe, and that is the SNM against BUSD, Binance US dollar. That happened, then the volume went up by a lot, and then, I mean, they also had some fundamentals going on, some new partnerships, but I think most of this was actually caused by that addition on Binance, that you can now more easily buy it. And I think a lot of people think that it just got listed on Binance. Well, it actually didn't really happen, and we know what happened with STG when it just got listed on Binance. I mean, over the last month, went up from 33 cents to $1. All right, so that's what is that? That's a 200% gain. So yeah, apart from that, and I think it's valuable to take a look at that. SNM itself, Sonm, it's the name. It's a decentralized fog computing platform. All right, so if you need if you need hardware or computing power, you can actually get that, and you can take that away from Sonm, but you can also provide it, right? So it's basically a platform connecting two sides, the supplier and the customer, or the user, whatever you want to call that. But as I said, it's not really new. It seems to be quite difficult to get started here. If you check out this for customers and suppliers, if you want to get power, for example, it seems pretty difficult. If you would really want to do that, I know that there are other products out there that actually have this distributed computing power. For example, I mean, Render token is doing things like that, and Render token is a token I would trust more. Sonm is only listed on Binance. I think the project has potential, but if you take a look at it over the all time, it's been around since 2017. The coin is probably newer. But this doesn't really speak to me as a hidden gem. All right, it seems to be that it already has had its moment. Now, obviously, I could be wrong about that, and they could definitely develop it more, market it more, and it could be a real gem. A 25 million market cap is low in the end. But I would definitely be careful with it. Definitely with these prices that have inflated quite a bit. We went up from 10 cents to 60 cents earlier today. So I would just be very careful about it. But I also wanted to do a quick analysis on that. So let's get right into that right now. So it actually looks pretty clear to me, just looking at the technicals. Let's forget about all the fundamentals and things I said. If we just look at the technicals, you can see that we broke above 50 cents. We're above that, and we actually took that break retest, and now we're stuck between our resistance between 60 and 65 cents right here, and 50 cents as a support. So it looks pretty clear to me that we're probably going to drop down to 50 cents again. If we can actually stay above 50 cents for the next 24 to 48 hours, then I think we can get a bullish breakout out of 65 cents and get up to that price target at 75 cents. That would be my initial price target, but if we really break out of 65 cents, I think we can also get to 85 cents, 95 cents, and $1. I think that's all possible, even though I think you should be careful with trading it. That's the most important thing, to really be careful with this. Don't risk more than you can lose. Use stop losses. For some of you, it might be like, yeah, of course I would do that, but other people don't really do that. So something like this is possible, but as I said, it is really built upon the premise that we stay above 50 cents, because it is also a double-edged sword. Because I think we can do that if we can actually stay above 50 cents, but if 50 cents breaks, Then we will drop down to 40 cents and 35 immediately, I think. There we will find some support. It's a pretty strong support level, but after that I also do think we'll drop down to 25 cents. And that could all happen very quickly within the next couple of days. All right, so it really depends on that 50 cents level. If we can stay on top of that, I think the price could actually increase more, but every 10 percentage point we go up in price, the more risky it becomes to buy. So yeah, again, be careful with it. If you have any questions about the product or the analysis, please let me know down in the comments. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.